Improving yourself 1% every day, day by day, is growth. Kaya kailangan natin maging disiplin sa lahat ng ginagawa natin. Mapa-workout, boxing, working on yourself, making money, building your skills. Dahil nagsimula ka sa journey mo na self-development, there's no such thing called easy success. Base nga kay Napoleon Hill, lahat ng successful na tao, even past generations, masama ang naging simula nila. Struggles, failures, challenges, susubukan ka. Kung qualify ba talaga tayo sa success na gusto natin. Bro, ang success may standards. Kailangan natin ma-hit yung standards and qualification ng success. Isa na ron, by improving yourself. Hindi ito madali ang laro. Imagine, gagawin mo to araw-araw with same routine. No question asked kung dedicated ka talaga maging successful. Syempre, we're not perfect. Tatamaan din tayo ng burnout and challenges. But we need to keep going. We need to show up. No matter how we feel, kailangan natin mag-show up.